Hello and welcome back to Learning with Little School. In the past, extreme weather felt far away. Many teenagers used to think it happened in other countries, to other people. But real cities suffered and real lives changed. This is what happened around the world. In Turkey, an earthquake hit near Istanbul. The ground shook and buildings fell down in seconds.
I was at home in Istanbul when it happened. Books and pictures fell down and people ran outside. Before that night, we used to feel safe at home. After the earthquake, fear stayed for a long time.
Neighbors formed rescue groups, brought blankets and water, and officials inspected buildings for safety before letting families return. In Venice, heavy rain and high tides caused a serious flood. Water rose quickly and entered homes and shops.
Our streets were full of water. We walked through the flood to get home. After the water left, people worked hard to clear up the city. Venice used to look calm every day. That week, everything looked different.
In Venice, workers set raised walkways, pumped water from shops, protected artwork, and repaired flood barriers along the canals. In New York City, a powerful snowstorm arrived during winter. Strong winds blew away signs and snow covered the roads.
I used to love snow days, but this storm was dangerous. Trees fell down and schools closed.
When the sun finally came out, the city slowly recovered. In New York City, neighbors shoveled sidewalks, checked on seniors, opened warming centers, and crews plowed roads through the night. In Moore, Oklahoma, a violent tornado appeared suddenly. It moved fast and destroyed neighborhoods.
The wind was terrifying. Roofs blew away, and some houses burned down after fires started. Firefighters arrived and put out the fires. After the tornado, neighbors helped each other. Before that day, Moore used to be very quiet.
In Moore, volunteers cleared debris, delivered meals, set up donation points, and builders began repairing homes with stronger roofs. After these disasters, life continued. People learned from the past. They used to think extreme weather would never reach their city. Now they prepared better and paid attention to warnings. Communities came together, cleared up streets, and rebuilt homes.
Extreme weather changed our city, but it also showed how strong people were.
We used to feel alone, but helping each other made us stronger.
Istanbul, Venice, New York City, and more all faced extreme weather. The past left damage, but it also taught important lessons. And these stories will be remembered. See you next time, Learning with Little School.